Good morning, students. Today I am here to present a topic on the banking and its types. This is topic under the banking specialization in subject of FSB1, Management of Banking and Insurance Institution. Today we teach about the banking and its types. First of all, we see what is a banking. Banking Regulation Act of India 1949 defines banking as accepting for the purpose of lending or investment of deposit of money from the public and repayable on demand or otherwise or withdrawal by check, draft order otherwise. RBI Act 1934 and Banking Regulation Act 1949 govern the banking operations in India. Now we see structure of banks in India. Under RBI, there are three types: commercial banks, cooperative banks, development banks. In commercial banks, nationalized and private. In cooperative banks, short-term, long-term credit. In development banks, EXIM, industrial, agriculture. And in short-term credit, also classified as agriculture credit and urban credit. First of all, in broad classification of banks in India, the RBI is the supreme monetary, as it's called a banker's bank and a banking authority in the country. So it's a responsibility to control the banking system in the country. It keeps the reserves of all scheduled banks and hence it is known as a reserve bank. Second is public sector banks, State Bank of India and its associates, nationalized banks, RBI sponsored by public sector banks. Third one is the private sector banks, old generation private banks, foreign new generation private banks and banks in India. In cooperative sector banks, state cooperative, central, primary, agriculture credit societies, land development banks, state land development banks, and in development banks are those banks which provide long-term finance for setting up the industries. It also provides short-term finance for the export-import activities. So it comes under IFCI, IDBI, IIBI, SIDBI, NABARD, and EXIM. First of all, we see commercial banks. Commercial banks comprising public sector banks, foreign banks, private sector banks represent the most important financial intermediary in the Indian financial system. The changes in banking structure and control have resulted due to wider geographical spread and deeper penetration of rural areas. Higher mobilization of deposits, reallocation of bank credit to priority activities, and lower operational autonomy for a bank management. Public sector commercial banks dominate the commercial banking scene in the country. The largest commercial banks in India is a SBI. Main functions of commercial banks, as you know, first of all, acceptance of deposit in the form of fixed deposit, saving bank, current bank account, advancing of loan in the cash credit, call loans, overdraft, bill discounting. Main functions of commercial banks. Third one is agency functions, collecting receipts, making payments, buy and sell securities, trustee, executor, general utility functions, issuing letters of credit, traveler's check, underwriting shares and debentures, safe custody of valuables, providing ATM, credit card facilities, providing credit information. These are all the functions of commercial banks. In cooperative bank, those banks which in mobilizing, saving and stimulating agriculture investment. It focuses on the main agriculture investment. Cooperative credit institution account for the second largest proportion of 44.6% of the total institutional credit. It's very much useful for rural peoples and it's divided into different categories like state cooperative banks, central cooperative banks, primary agriculture credit societies. Now come to the development banks. As we know, development banks are used for the long-term investments, long-term assistance, long-term loans provided for the industrial developments and for the infrastructures. So development bank may be defined as a financial institution concerned with providing all types of financial assistance to business units in the form of loans, underwriting, investment, guarantee, operational, promotional activities, economic development in general, and industrial development in particular. Basically a term lending institution, and it's a multi-purpose financial institution with a broad development outlook. The Industrial Finance Corporation of India, the first development bank, was established in 1948. Then after, different institutions were set up like IDBI, IFCI, SIDBI, etc. Now, functions of development banks: fostering industrial growth, providing long-term assistance, balanced development, providing promotional services, infrastructure building, entrepreneur development, fulfilling socio-economic objectives. Now come to the investment banks, financial intermediaries that acquire the savings of people and direct these funds into a business enterprises, seeking capital for the acquisition of plant and equipment and for holding inventories are called a investment. Features are investment banks are a long-term financing, security merchandiser, security middleman, insurer, underwriter, and the functions of investment bank: capital formation, underwriting, purchase of securities, selling of securities, advisory service, and acting as a dealer. And next is a merchant banks. Institutions that render wide range of services such as the management of a customer securities, portfolio management, counseling, insurance, etc. are come under the merchant banks. Functions: sponsoring issues, loan syndication, servicing of issues, portfolio management, arranging fixed deposits, and also help in a merger and acquisitions. Now we will see list of commercial banks and public sector banks. These are SBI, Dena Bank, Allahabad Bank, Indian Bank, Andhra Bank, Bank of Baroda or Bank of India, IDBI Bank, Canara Bank, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Maharashtra. These come under the list of commercial banks. Indian private banks are Axis Bank, City Union Bank, Bank of Rajasthan, HDFC, ICICI, Yes Bank, Development Credit Bank, Federal Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank. These come under the Indian private banks. List of foreign banks in India like Citibank, HSBC Limited, Standard Chartered Bank, DBS Bank, American Express Bank. These all foreign banks which are performing in India. So thank you. Thank you so much for listening this video, this topic. If you like this topic, please like and share this video. Thank you so much.